Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. Today I'm sharing with you a huge grocery haul and a couple of drink recipes. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tabitha from thismamashouse.com. On this channel, I share all sorts of homemaking motivation, cooking, cleaning, grocery hauls, and day in the life of a homeschool mom type videos. So if you're into that sort of content, I would love to have you subscribe. Today I'm sharing a huge grocery haul with you. We spent over $700 at Walmart and Sam's Club just getting stuff to restock the freezer and pantry. And boy, was it a doozy. We got a lot of good stuff, but before I share all of the groceries with you, I wanted to share a couple of drink recipes. So if you didn't know, I have been sober for over 7 years now. It has been one of the best decisions that I have ever made. And it has really just changed and improved my life so much to always be clear-minded and not have any like ill effects or, you know, have something that could easily be taken as a crutch. But I still like to enjoy fun drinks, and you can only have so much coffee. So I wanted to share some delicious, fun mocktails that are actually healthy for you too, because they include Mary Ruth Organic liquid vitamins. I have been using Mary Ruth Organics products for years now. They have been one of my favorite vitamin brands of all time. So when they reached out to me and wanted to sponsor one of my videos, I was a bit starstruck and so excited because they are somebody that I truly love and believe in and have used and spent my own money on for so long. So today I am so thankful to have Mary Ruth sponsoring this video. If you've never tried their products, they are a phenomenal line of organic, high quality vitamins that come in all sorts of ways. So they have gummies, liquid vitamins, they have droppers, capsules, whatever your style. I'm sure you could find something that you like. They have kids products, women's, men's, just anything for anyone. And today I'm going to be highlighting 3 of my favorites, 2 of their liquid vitamins, as well as their hair gummies. I have been using these products for several months now, and I especially wanted to try something for hair, skin, and nails. I'd like to grow my hair out a little bit more, and my hair has just been thinner over the years, so I thought these would be fun to try, and I've definitely noticed a difference in my hair length. These have been proven to improve your hair within 3 weeks. So the hair, skin, and nail gummies are included with biotin and vitamin C and E. They're strawberry flavor and they're so good. And then the liquid morning vitamin has a special hair growth ingredient, and it has been clinically proven to help your hair and even your wrinkles and skin. So that is amazing. And then I also love taking the nighttime multivitamin. It's really good to support sleep and relaxation. And I have been enjoying the mocktail while I'm cooking dinner for the nighttime vitamin. It just helps me to relax at night. So let me show you how I make these fun mocktails with these liquid multivitamins. But before I do, let me show you what this gummy looks like. They are so tasty. You take 2 a day. Whoops, that's too many, but I would eat them because they're so good. 2 a day of these cute little gummies, and they taste amazing. So come along with me as we transform our boring vitamin routine into something a lot more exciting. So if you are already interested in trying Mary Ruth, you can buy them on their website or even on Amazon, and you can use my code MROTabitha to get 20% off. So with the morning liquid vitamin, we are going to be making a peach mango splash mocktail, and the ingredients are, of course, the liquid morning vitamin, a lime, some sparkling water, and some peach mango or this pineapple mango juice. and then some grenadine. Well, I couldn't find any grenadine that I liked the ingredients of, so instead of grenadine, I'm gonna use a little splash of elderberry syrup. All right, this mocktail is really easy. We're gonna start with a cup of sparkling water and then mix in a half a cup of the peach mango juice. Stir that together with a little splash of grenadine, aka elderberry syrup. Now I'm going to add some ice. Now we're gonna do 1 serving of the Liquid Morning Multivitamin Plus Hair Growth. Add that in. This smells so good already. And then I'm going to squeeze on some lime and a little garnish. And there we go. Look at how pretty. Like, if you can take your vitamins like this, why wouldn't you want to? And so good too. The next drink we're gonna make is Coconut Dream Fizz Mocktail. So you need a can of lime sparkling water, full fat coconut milk, lime juice, a little bit of fresh ginger here, salt for the rim, and of course the liquid nighttime multi-mineral. So we are going to pour a 3/4 of this can into the blender. Then I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of this coconut milk. Now I'm gonna juice 2 limes. Then about a 1/2 inch of fresh ginger and a serving of the liquid nighttime multi-mineral. Pour this all in here. Then we're going to blend it up. Of course, I'm gonna use my fancy YouTube mason jar. I'm gonna pour some salt here on this glass. Rub the rim with lime juice. And salt the rim. Fancy. I'm gonna pour the blend into my cup. And garnish with a lime. Super fancy, super tasty, and really good for you. So if you'd like to try either one of these fancy drinks using the Mary Ruth Organics products, you can click the link down below and use my code MRO Tabitha for 20% off. They have these products and so many more. You will find exactly what you're looking for in such good, high quality, vegan, non-GMO, organic supplements. Now let me share with you the grocery haul. We got a total of 50 items from Sam's Club. 4 of those items were clothing for the kids, so you won't see that. You're just gonna see other items that we got, the food and a couple random things, but let's jump right into it. I got this Caesar salad kit. Thought that would be good for dinner one night. We got cucumbers, 2 bags of Brussels sprouts. I find that these keep really good in the fridge. So like over a week, 2 weeks sometimes. So that's a good thing to keep on hand, and we love Brussels sprouts. We have 2 cartons of blueberries. Blueberries are finally coming down in price. I don't know what the deal was, but for a while there, they were so expensive. We got some cotton candy grapes. Those are so delicious. The kids were excited for those. These Chobani Flip yogurt cups were on sale, so I grabbed a case of those. These mini tacos are really, really good, and they cook pretty fast for lunches. I also got this chicken salad. This is the Sam's Club deli type chicken salad, so we're gonna have that for lunch today. And then also I got some honey ham, some deli meat. I usually freeze half of this just in case we don't use it all. It freezes really good. Then I have a 2-pack of Nutella. We also got the Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt, 2 of those. some butter, some sour cream. We got croissants here, and then I'm gonna use the croissants to have that chicken salad on. I think that'll be really good. We have maple syrup. This is the first time I've ever bought maple syrup from Sam's Club, so we'll see how it is. It's like $1 more than Costco, but Costco is so far away from us, we don't go there very often anymore. Apple cider. This was a sample and it was really tasty. The kids wanted to get it. I got some minced garlic. I think I'm gonna have to freeze some of this because it seems like I'm not using these big jugs quick enough. So I'm gonna probably freeze half of it and then keep half of it in the fridge. I got some corn muffin mix. I think that'll be really good to eat with some chili, some corn muffins. We got these fruit strips, which we pretty much always have on hand. The kids love those. I got some Kodiak pancake mix, 2 jugs of milk. We have some flour tortillas, hamburger buns, hot dog buns, and then these Hawaiian sweet rolls. We have some frozen items, some blueberries, strawberries, and they're mixed berries. And then I also saw these chicken bites. They kind of look like what you would get at Chick-fil-A, like actual chicken pieces in breading. So we'll try that. Hopefully they're delicious and the kids like them. So I got 2 bags of those. We also got this olive oil spray. I got some convenience items for breakfast, little mini pancakes, French toast sticks, and pancakes and sausage. I think these will be good to have on hand when the kids want to cook their own breakfast. And then I also got these mini pizza bagels for lunches here. Moving around to the other side of the table, I got these sponges. This will last us a long time, but I haven't had sponges in a while. I usually just use a dishcloth, but I definitely needed some scrubbing action. So I got some sponges. I also got these disinfectant wipes. And then I saw these. I thought this was gonna be perfect for my sourdough. These are 6-quart, kind of like, these remind me of like when I used to work in the restaurants. They also had 4 quarts. And I don't know, looking at this, I almost wish I got the 4-quart, but this will be fine. I think when I'm proofing bread and like letting it rise overnight and stuff, this will be perfect. I love these. They have lids already and everything, so this is nice. I got some beef hide for the dog. Some of these huge trash bags because we have a huge trash can. But I like this has like ties because the ones we have right now don't have a tie, so this will be nice. And then some pizza rolls that the kids wanted for lunches as well. So that is everything that we got at Sam's Club. Like I said, we have 50 items and we spent a total of $467 at Sam's. Okay, from Walmart we have 79 items and I will show you what we got. I put all the frozen stuff away from Sam's and then I laid the Walmart stuff out here on the table. So let's get into it. We got a big pack of bacon. That's 3 pounds of bacon. Bacon is so expensive nowadays. We usually like to get nitrate free, but I couldn't pay that much for nitrate free bacon. Hopefully soon we'll have our own pigs and we won't have to worry about buying bacon anymore. I got 2 bags of these chocolate chips. This is 32 ounces. I normally like to get these at Costco, but like I said, we don't have Costco nearby anymore, so we rarely go. I have some frozen peas, some frozen mixed vegetable, that's for soup. Then I got a couple of enchilada sauces. I got some Worcestershire sauce. I got Chick-fil-A sauce for those little nuggets that we bought. I love this brand, Mateo's. They have the best salsa. And then I saw they had taco sauce, so we're gonna try that. Some liquid aminos. This is basically fermented soy sauce. And then we got some pickles here. 4 blocks of cream cheese. This is my husband's favorite type of taco shell, so we got these for him. 3 boxes of the nacho cheese taco shells. We've got some Skippy natural peanut butter. We haven't had these. Oops, stuff's falling off the table. We haven't had these blueberry muffins forever and they're so good. I usually make these Saturday night and then we eat them on Sunday morning before church. So I got 4 boxes of those. This is my favorite energy drink. It tastes amazing. 0 sugar, but it's the Cosmic Stardust. So I got these little sticks, so you'll just mix it with water. And then I got these for the kids, this Prime. This is not energy drink. This is like hydration. It's kind of like Gatorade. So I got those, and then my 3-year-old put this in the cart, this blueberry juice. So I just let him have it. He decided on what he wanted. Then I got these huge things of kombucha. So I got the Guava Goddess and the Trilogy, and then we have rice milk. We love rice milk, but the only place we've been able to find it is Walmart. So we usually grab one of those every time we go. My friend recently shared, Heather from her channel, Catholic Mom's Life, she shared this recipe where she uses these dough sheets and Nutella. And then we have macaroni and cheese spirals, 5 boxes, and then the little shells, 5 boxes of those. And this is what fell on the floor. Bread. So you guys, if you've watched my hauls before, you know that I love to bake bread, but I also like to have some in the freezer. And a big part of this haul was stocking our freezer back up. So I got 4 loaves of bread to put in the freezer. The kids really, really wanted cereal, and I didn't feel like going to Aldi. That's where we normally buy our cereal, but I looked, this did not have food dye. It has other crap in it, but just a little treat for them. Peanut butter cup cereal. I got some shredded lettuce for taco night, some romaine lettuce for salad. We haven't been able to find this at Costco in so long, so this was a pretty good price. It was like $3 and something cents for flaxseed. We like to put this in our smoothies or like in baked goods. So I got 2 bags of the milled flaxseed. We got one of these popcorn Christmas tins. We get one of these every year. So that's the one we got this year. And then I got 2 boxes of saltine crackers. I got this pancake mix. I got this one as well as that one. And I've been meaning to like make my own mix and just store it in a jar, but I really like this Krusteaz ones. It makes such good pancakes. So I just grabbed it. Very convenient. I got a bunch of different snacks. I let the kids each pick one. So we have Cheeto Puffs, pretzel sticks, Fritos, veggie straws, and Funyuns. And then a couple random things. I got an eyelash curler. I've been wanting one of these for a while. And then I wanted to try this Fit Me. It's like a foundation stick. So we'll see if that's the right color, and we'll see if I even like it. And then I also got a couple Tupperware things. So we've had this Tupperware container that we meant to give to the neighbor for so long, and then we ended up breaking it. So I bought her a new one. And then we had another friend from church make us a meal. I think it was after Tommy was born, so a long time ago. And I didn't give her dish back. I kept forgetting, and then we broke it. So I'm gonna give her this on Sunday so that I can replace their containers. And then I got this huge box of 42 chips for my oldest daughter. She packs a lunch for school. She's the only kid that goes to school. So I got those specifically for her, so I have to put those up high in the pantry, and then that will last us 42 days. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Walmart. All right, so my total at Walmart was $279. So basically, almost $700 in groceries today. Whew, it's getting expensive out there, people. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my grocery haul, as well as learning how to make these fancy, fun drinks. These mocktails are sure to satisfy that fun drink craving you might have without alcohol and with lots of health benefits. Thanks so much to Mary Ruth for sponsoring this video. Again, click the link down below to find any of the Mary Ruth Organics products that you might want, and use my code MROTabitha for 20% off. Thanks for watching today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!